Why hello there and welcome back to Truly Cooking. As you can see from my sick dance moves, I'm pretty excited for today's recipe. I will show you how to make the perfect grilled cheese. All you need is some good old bread, some cheese, duh, lots of butter, some mustard, some mayo, some veggies, why not? You can transform all these ingredients into something cool like this, so stick around all the way until the end and see just how easy it is. Let's get started by putting our mise into its place. Get it? Haha. This episode will be full of cheesy lines. Start by julienning. Okay, cutting our red pepper, our yellow pepper, and the green onions. Set them aside. Then move on onto our herbs and give them a nice choppity chop chop. We're making what's called a compound butter because, as the name suggests it is composed of different components. The most common one is butter, lemon zest, and parsley, also known as the maître d'hôtel butter. Ours is yet to be named. Okay, let's move on to more serious business, the cheese. For this recipe, I chose a nice sharp cheddar and emmental. The cheddar has a crowd-pleasing flavor and melts really well on a grilled sandwich. The emmental is a medium-hard cheese that's savory but pretty mild in taste. I use it more to give the sandwich some body and some texture. It also helps with the crust cutting at the end for a nice cheesy stretch. Remember to always grate your own cheese as it will melt faster and won't have so many preservatives as already grated cheese from the store. I will post the full measurements and recipe in the description below. Now, if you go on the big internet, you'll see that people argue on mayo versus mustard versus butter when making a grilled cheese. I say, why not all of them? One slice gets the mayo, while the other one will get a thin layer of mustard. They'll both get butter though, so don't worry, there's plenty for everybody. Our prep is all done, or is it? I forgot to tell you that we have to quickly saute our previously cut veggies. So on a medium heat skillet, throw a bit of olive oil, dump your veggies in and cook for roughly a couple of minutes. I don't want to fully cook them, I only want to soften them up a bit. I want flavor and texture. After that, set aside and clean up your pan. Okay, cool, listen up and pay attention as this next step is probably the most important one so far. We need to start on a low heat pan. Did you see the butter bubbling when I added to my pan? That means it's too hot. Reduce the heat and add 1 teaspoon of plain butter. Add the first slice with the mustard facing up and wait a bit. Add your sauteed veggies, wait a little bit more, and then add your grated cheese on top, almost like a nest. Then add your other slice of bread with the mayo facing downwards towards the cheese. Use the compound butter that we made previously and spread it on the top slice. Guess what? Wait a little bit more. Now summon your inner peace and tranquility, and whatever you do, do not flip that sandwich, as you'll be very tempted to do so. If you get hungry during this process, you'll notice small bits and pieces of caramelized cheese. Use those as snacks, they taste super good. Now take a page out of Lil Jon's best songs and keep the heat low. When you feel like the bottom part is crunchy and nice golden brown, go ahead and give that bad boy a flip. Apply some more of that compound butter on the slice facing towards you now. We'll keep doing this until we get antsy and hangry, like I did. Flip one more time to ensure golden delicious crust and rest for a little bit. Whatever you do, do not forget to turn your heat off. Now prepare yourself emotionally and physically for the best crust cut you'll ever experience. Go ahead and place your grilled cheese on a cutting board. Do the old knife scraping on the crust to hear if it sounds right trick, and go ahead and cut diagonally. Wait just a couple of moments and just like that, look at all that gooey, sticky, steaming, delicious pile of cheese, flavor and sweetness from the peppers and onions, crunchy bread with hints of butter and herbs. That was all for today, ladies and gentlemen. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If not, enjoy some more of our latest videos. Take care and see you next time.